In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a whimsical mind map. So, let's dive right in and make your mind maps more dynamic and visually engaging. To begin with, you'll want to open a board within Whimsical and switch over to Mind Map mode. If you're starting from scratch, you'll select the Mind Map tool or add a mind map element to your board. This sets the stage for organizing your main topics and branches where you'll want to incorporate images. Once you're confident with your mind map, it's time to start adding images to enhance it. Whimsical offers a flexible way to do this. You can upload various image file types, such as JPG, JPEG, GIF, PNG, WEBP, SVG, and AVF, directly onto your board. There are a couple of ways to get your images on there. One easy method is simply to drag and drop an image file from your computer onto the board. Alternatively, check the toolbar for an Insert Image menu if it's available on your display. Now that your images are on the board, the next step is associating them with the specific node or branch in your mind map. Essentially, you'll want your images to feel like they're part of the structure supporting the points you're making. To achieve this, place your image close to, or even inside, the node with which it should be associated. Depending on your layout, you might need to resize or move your images to fit seamlessly within your map. It's come to my attention that Whimsical offers a somewhat free-form canvas compared to other mind mapping tools, meaning this part of the process might feel manual. This flexibility allows you to creatively place images where they enhance your map the best. Additionally, Whimsical's icon library is a fantastic resource for adding smaller visual elements when a full image isn't necessary. These icons are a smart way to create visual cues that represent concepts concisely. With your images and icons in place, it's crucial to adjust the styling and layout to maintain clarity. You might need to reposition, resize, or align images so everything fits cohesively. If you find that an image is obscured by nodes or branches, you can use the context menu to bring the image forward or send it backward. This ensures each component of your mind map is clear and readable, allowing viewers to easily grasp the connections between nodes, images, and text. By following these steps, you'll have a vibrant, image-enriched mind map that captivates the attention and aids in understanding complex ideas. Enjoy crafting creative, visually stunning mind maps with Whimsical.